Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the only reliable fast charge path, a charger that actually supplies 18W and a 3A-rated USB-C cable. Once done, plug the charger straight into a wall outlet that avoids voltage sag you get from laptops or cheap power strips. Make sure the cable is fully seated and the phone shows charging on the lock screen. If you have the original Redmi 9 charger, use it. If not, pick a reputable 18W USB-C PD or quick charge adapter. Next, reduce the phone's power draw so more current charges the battery. Go to Settings and disable Battery Saver. Enable any fast charging toggle if present. Once set, switch to airplane mode or at least turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to cut background activity. Make sure to close apps like games and streaming services and lower brightness. These steps lower consumption, so the charger's full output replenishes the battery faster, especially in the crucial first 30-60 minutes. To finish, let the phone charge uninterrupted until the desired level. Check that the percentage climbs as expected in the first half hour. If charging is slow, immediately swap in a known good 18W charger and a certified 3A cable. Many issues are cable or adapter faults. Also place the phone on a cool surface and remove thick cases because heat throttles charging speed. If problems persist, clean the USB-C port gently and try another outlet. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.